What's up, everybody? Ryan Heinlein here with 2-minute tips. Tip number 6, the CD trick. Got a CD here. It's my CD. Double use here. All right, so been working a lot lately on lip slurs and just making sure my embouchure is nice and consistent. Been reworking a few things, trying to rebuild some muscles. Okay, so if you're practicing in a place that doesn't have a mirror, or even if it does have a mirror and you want a super close up of your embouchure and everything that's going on, grab a CD that's got a reflective back. There I am twice. Yes. Make sure not like a burnable CD, like a CDR or something, like an actual CD that you can buy that's been like produced and mastered and stuff like that, like that's got this reflector. Okay, on your trombone, you are going to put it right there. Fits bigger the trombone, it fits a little bit better on my 547, on my 88H, but with this King one, it's a little wobbly, but it's okay. I can kind of manipulate it with my fingers. And now I got this nice close-up of my mouth. I can see everything that's going. I can see everything that I missed shaving, every zit, everything. You can see it just does not lie to you. And I can sit here and do lip slurs and make sure that my corners are tight and I'm getting the embouchure the way that I'm sitting. I can see when I'm shifting everything. It's incredible. So I'm going to angle it just a little bit here. Yeah, so I can see when I dip down a little bit, there's a little bit of shift there, and I can consciously think about not moving and focusing more on my air than trying to move any embouchure or anything like that. It's a great little trick, so I highly suggest using that if you're wanting to kind of get your embouchure a little stronger. 2 minutes is up. See you next time.